Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I'm out here at my husband's work just hanging out in a bulldozer. But I just wanted to check in. We are going on to week 3. I'm super excited about it. And I just wanted to make sure that you guys understood what you're supposed to do on Google Classroom and how to kind of work it. I know it's still new and we're still learning, and that's okay. So there are some expectations for how your work needs to be done. There's 5 assignments each week and you only have to do 3 of them. Make sure that you're meeting the goal for each one. For assignments 1 through 4 this week, you're going to need to get 1 out of 2 correct. For assignment number 5, I need you to get 3 out of 4 correct. Again, you choose which ones you want to do and you only have to do 3. These are still being graded, guys. We're still taking grades. We're still trying to figure out how exactly we're going to make this work. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use Google Classroom to make your life a little bit easier.
Alright guys, so I've created an example math Google Classroom just to kind of show you the ins and out of it. This is the stream. So this is when you first click on the class, this is what you'll see. Over on this left hand side it says upcoming and when it's due. So these are some of the assignments that are due. And you can see all of your classwork under the classwork tab in the middle. So if you click on that, it tells you which week it is. And then I have the assignments listed under here. So this first one that says distance learning week 3 is going to be the slides. So this is where all the assignments are going to be. And it also tells you that you need to complete 3 of the 5 assignments for the week. If you open this up, it is just the header. And then it starts out telling you how the buttons work on the assignments. And if you go to the assignments, you can click on the audio tab and it's going to read you the information. If you need help, that's also where you can find a video. So if you click on that, it will have the video we created for you. Now back in the classroom, underneath that is the assignments. So we have, let's do week 3, assignment 2. It's going to tell you the goal for your assignment, what you need to get correct, and also how to fix it. So to go ahead and submit it, you click on the physical picture and it pops up. So you're not going to have to do your email address, but I will in this instance. You have to do your first name and your last name. The same video that is on the slides is also here for your help and any extra information like writing the coordinates properly in order to get credit for it. Each question is going to be worth 1 point and the directions and all the information is here for you. Now, I'm not going to enter my actual answers. I'm just going to show you how to go back and fix it if you're wrong. So take the time to go through it. I press submit when I'm done. And then it gives me 2 options. I can either view my score or edit my responses. So the first thing I'm going to do is view my score. When I go to view my score in the top right-hand corner, it's going to tell you the total points that you made. If you did not get a 1 out of 2 for this assignment, then you need to go back and redo it, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So you go back through, scroll back, and it tells you where you got it wrong, and it gives you specific feedback that is specific to that question. Each one of them has its own feedback and has little pieces of help for you. Now, if back in the classroom, if you exited out of that and you had no access to it, you click back on it, and it says you've already responded. Now you can go back and edit your responses. This is where you can go back and make changes and resubmit if you need to. Another thing to keep in mind, just in terms of overall, is in this class, to view your work. So if you want to know what you have to do, it is under the view your work under the class stream. If you want to know what you have to do for all of your classes, it's under the to-do list right here under enrolled.
I hope that helps you navigate Google Classroom a little bit easier. I know it's frustrating, but if you need any help, please reach out to me. Email, message, Google Hangouts, anything that you can do to get in touch with me. I would love to help you and make this a little easier for you. In terms of the content, please, 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 please use the videos. I'm not able to sit there and walk you through it, and that's super unfortunate, but those videos I made specifically for each assignment, so it should help you a lot. Also use the YouTube playlist. I went through YouTube and found some of the best ones I could find to make sure that you have some extra help. You are going to have to watch them more than once probably. It's been a while since we've reviewed these things, so it's going to take some time to come back to you and maybe a little bit of practice. We're on the week 3, guys, and we can do this. I miss you guys like crazy. but let's power through together.